we're going to be going over exactly how you can use this new ChatGPT in exactly 3 ways to take this tool and make money. Okay, so we're going to be going over 3 great ways that can be used online in the comfort of your own home to actually generate you an income. So let's go over the first method here. And before we get started, actually, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Definitely keep it updated, stay up to date with the latest things as we find out more, continue to grow. Let's go. So this first way, it's freelancer. Okay, on this page you could take ChatGPT and write articles for clients from everywhere right here on freelancer. Freelancer will allow you to actually go in and become a writer. Okay, and they have people from all over the world that are looking for English writers right now. Okay, and as you do this, you're able to grow, continue to build your portfolio. Look at this, websites. You can write a website 150, and you can do these skills. You can do research papers right here with ChatGPT. Let's see. What we want to write about? I write about science in deep space. Oh shit, I broke it. Oh, anyway. No, but really though, let me refresh. I broke it. Well, seriously, you could take this thing and write up anything. Somebody may have wanted an article about writing online. Bam, look at that. I'm not even doing anything. And this is just one way. This is just one method, right? So you could take this, use that on freelance. And let me go to the next one, actually. And the last one is actually my favorite. The last one is the one I go to. And also, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. All right, so anyway, fancy hands, there's another one here. And so here, you could come in here and apply right here for assistant position, writing position, right here. And so the point is you be able to, you freelance, you can go to all of these different platforms, you know. So I set up with all of them. You set up with all of them, and that way, just with this one tool, you could be generating, and that's just one method. All right, and see, it's other ways to use it, because even like I show my students, say if you take this, though, you can't just, the goal is not to just use this, right? Because it's really just pulling. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. It's just pulling data. So if you use those as templates, you know, you could able to multiply. And it's just one tactic. Okay. So you want to go here to check if it's here. Watch this. Most people are not doing this. This is simple. If you just check here, most people don't even check to scan for the plagiarism. And so look, and they go out and take that exact thing here and go post it. That's not what you want to do. And that's just one method. So the last one, that's my favorite one here, is right here on Fiverr. Fiverr, you could go in here and post your own gigs, right? You can go set up your own gigs right here on Fiverr, and you are able to write articles. So let's just go to Fiverr let's see, look at what writers are charging. So here on Fiverr, you could actually see what they're making here for just articles. That's just the starting prices, right? People that's willing to write different articles. So you're able to come here, post your gig, boom. Now you're in the playing field. And so you do that across these 3 different platforms. You come back here, whatever they want to write about, you come back here to ChatGPT. But you just come and let this bad boy know, write an article. Client may come back and say about dogs, some shit. Oh, I broke it again. What the fuck? Somebody technology is steadily advancing. I'm not even doing anything again. So whatever the client come back and tell you, they want an article about, bam, you come here, you use this as a framework, right? And then you go through, so now you gotta spend, right? So you're gonna come here actually. Right. So we already know. Bam. All right. So y'all stay tuned for the next part. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how we could take that and actually transform it into something you can use. Be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.